Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Taskbar Search Box is missing. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you're facing the issue that your taskbar or your search box here and your taskbar is not it's missing. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So you just have to right click on your taskbar or any empty place on your taskbar and access taskbar settings. Click on it. Now once you are in taskbar settings, you might see the search option over here. You just have to click on this icon or this box here to expand it, then select search box. And once you have done, your search box will be back and your search icon will be back. So now you can easily use your search box. But if it's still not working for you, you have selected the search box on that section, but your search box is not still here. So you can go to Task Manager. Just click on this start button and just search for Task Manager. If you're unable to search, so you can try to press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC key to open Task Manager. Now, once you are here, just go to Details and just locate Search Host here. Just scroll down and you might see search host.exe. Right click on it and click on End Task. Click on End Process. Once you have done, your search host will be completely disabled and it will re-enable by default. So it will make a quick refresh with your search host or with your search settings. So it might help you to fix out the issue. If it's still not working for you, so you can try to press Windows plus R and in this section just type services.msc. Type it and then press OK or enter from your keyboard. Now once you are here, make a single click on any service from here and press W from your keyboard to access W menu. Now you just have to look for Windows Search. Here's that. Right click on it and click on Properties. Now once you are in Property, you have to select it automatic from here. You have to make sure that you have select automatic. Then just click on Stop. And once you have stopped, click Apply and click OK. Now just right click on this window search, start it, and once the service has been started, you might see there's a running status. So you can again make a right click and then just restart. Once you have restarted, now your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Or after doing this, you can also try to make a restart to apply the changes you made. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.